what was your first impression when you heard the name multi-icon? कौन सा वो best part था? Culture you appreciate the most, whether it is teamwork. What is the greatest learning you have, learned from the multi-icon? Hi, my name is Darshita Devani, and welcome to the podcast with AI interns at Multi-Icon. Today we have one more intern with us from the AI department, Aditya. So hi Aditya.
Good morning, ma'am.
Rejected.
Why, ma'am?
Because don't be so formal.
Okay.
Okay, are you sure you are from the Gen Z AI world or not?
Yeah, I am Gen Z.
Okay, chalo. Great. Apart from all these things, what is the greatest learning you have, learned from the multi-icon or learned from your internship period?
How to work with a team,
Okay.
introduction with your work culture,
Okay.
and learning new things with team.
Okay. Great. So we'll start with some questions
Okay.
which can be funny as well as annoying for you. Okay. So tell me, Aditya, that for you, you can skip the coffee or tea or slip. What you
Coffee
can
or tea.
skip? Okay, slip you can't skip.
I can sleep.
Okay. From the first salary, what is your dream buy? क्या सबसे पहले खरीदना है from the first salary?
First is gym membership.
Gym membership. Okay. अभी नहीं जाते हो gym?
जाता हूँ पर थोड़े टाइम ब्रेक लिया.
Okay, चलो. So, what is the excited or scary? Like, boss call you suddenly on Sunday. That is excited or scary for you?
For multi-icon, it is very excited.
For multi-icon, it is excited. Okay. Work from home. If multi-icon is providing work from home or work from office with some good team.
Work from home.
If it is multi-icon. Still?
No.
Okay. So you are very comfortable. Okay. Share me one word which your friend is used to roasting you with the use of that word.
Right now, no any words.
Okay, because you are roasting Annie.
Yes.
Okay. So if this internship had a movie, so what will be the title of this internship?
Fun and work.
Fun and work. Okay. One emoji that describe your mentor. I mean, you have two mentors right now. One is Kashyap sir and one is Paresh sir, right?
Yes.
So describe like one emoji for that. Paresh sir. Okay. And for Kashyap sir?
It is normal.
Normal. So what scares you the more? Deadlines or feedback? I mean reporting.
Deadlines.
Deadlines. Okay, that is career for you. What drains the faster? Laptop battery or your motivation?
My motivation.
Okay, that drains faster. Okay, if AI replaced you tomorrow, what would you do?
I joined my father.
You join your father's company. Okay. Okay. After internship, what would you like to do? Startup or some corporate life you would like to enjoy with the job?
Startups.
What kind of startups can you?
AI startups.
AI startups.
Yes.
Okay. Have you imagined anything about the product service? What exactly the startup would be?
It's startups related to the deep learning, like its application which is doing a deep learning model. And
Okay. Now tell me the overall experience you have, experienced at the multi-icon. So tell me something about the same.
I get very good experience here क्योंकि आज तक अभी corporate, this is my first corporate life. आज का तो अभी एक एक्सपीरियंस नहीं किया कि इस वर्क भी करना है लेकिन फिर साथ साथ फन भी करना है.
Okay. So let's end this podcast.
Okay.
And with this, I would like to ask one last question. That what advice you would like to give to upcoming interns at the multi-icon?
ज़्यादा फन मत करना, अच्छे से वर्क करना.
Okay. Great. Shirley, thank you so much for today's podcast having with us and sharing your experience with us. So thank you so much.